What's going on, RC fans? My name is Cole.
My name is Max.
I Gant. Today we're going to be doing some bashing at our at-home construction. Alright, so the first location here is just the pile of rocks here that we got. We just had to scrape these up from the driveway because we had to dump some sand in to truck back to the back deck area. So just going to be hitting this ramp here. Oh yeah. Not a bad ramp, guys. So my body is getting pretty rough. I mean, it's cracked and it always comes up in the front here. See, it like pops up. But we got cracks back there. Cracks. Literally have cracks everywhere on this thing, but it still runs, so that's the idea. I mean, this is not a bad ramp, guys. And it's not going to be here forever. It's just, we're just going to, might as well make a little video while we can. Get the backward angle here. Oh yeah. Oof. The next part of this video is basically just a bunch of clips of me and Grant driving around in the construction zone. We got the onboard view here. Just going to take you guys up the ramp again. Hit this on the side here. Ooh, we just about cleared the whole thing. Man, we have to do grants are pretty nice. Small jump here. Get a little bit of air. Nice ramp, Grant. Huh?
It's spraying dirt.
Look at that bad boy. Oh, peace out. Come on, thing. Stick in one spot. Hey, doing some serious ball. Yeah, exactly. Who needs a crawler? Just nobody. Smash that white button. Make sure you subscribe because it's free. Hit the bell so you'll be notified on all of our latest and greatest videos. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.